In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see how much you've paid a vendor in QuickBooks Online. If you need a quick way to check total spending by vendor, QuickBooks Online has a built-in report that makes this very easy. This is especially helpful if you're reviewing yearly expenses, preparing for bookkeeping cleanup, or simply confirming how much money has gone to a particular supplier over a certain period of time. To begin, go to the Reports section in the left-hand navigation menu. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its standard financial and transaction reports. Once you open Reports, click into the search bar at the top and type Expenses by Vendor Summary. As you type, QuickBooks will usually suggest matching reports in a drop-down list. When you see Expenses by Vendor Summary, select it to open the report. After the report loads, the next thing you'll want to do is set the correct date range. Look for the Report Period drop-down. This lets you choose the time frame you want to review, such as this year, last year, or a custom range if you need something more specific. Choosing the right period is important because the totals in the report will only reflect payments and expenses recorded within those selected dates. If you're comparing spending across months or reviewing a full year, this is the step that ensures your report is accurate and useful. Once the report is showing the correct date range, you can review the summary of expenses by vendor. This gives you a clear, high-level look at how much has been paid out to each vendor during that period. If you only want to see one specific vendor instead of the full list, you can narrow the report down further. Click Customize, then go to the Filter section. In that area, check the box for vendor, then choose the specific vendor from the drop-down menu. After that, click Run Report to apply the filter. QuickBooks will refresh the report and display only the expenses for that selected vendor, making it much easier to focus on one supplier without distraction from the rest of the data. This report is a simple but powerful tool when you want quick visibility into vendor spending. It can help with budgeting, expense reviews, and vendor management, all without needing to sort through individual transactions manually. That's how to see how much you've paid a vendor in QuickBooks Online.